Disclaimer: I used a computer that my family doesn't use. If you reattempt this, please ask for adult permission and perform with caution. Hope you enjoy. What's good, guys? It's your boy Banadana, back at it again, and today we're going to be dismantling this computer. I know this is boring, but whatever, it's my channel. If you're wondering what the specs are, they should be on screen right now. This is the inside of the computer, and we'll be digging deeper into it to see if we could scavenge anything for a future computer. First thing I took off was the stand. Next, the cover for the motherboard. Beautiful. There was writings on the motherboard. I don't know why they were there. I took out the RAM sticks to see if they were worth keeping. It said it was 8 gigs RAM, so I guess the other one is 6 gigs cause this says 2. I took out the hard drive. There was a sticker on here too, so I'm guessing Dell just marks the parts and take what they need. At this point I need a smaller screwdriver for the fan. I started unplugging the disk reader. I know this is a boring video, so I put a surprise meme. Anyways, I started unplugging things that I don't think I need. This had writing on it too for some reason. Next, I took off the outer case. And the fan. After a little bit, I figured out that this was holding the motherboard in place and took it out. I also took out this black sheet. And took the display out of the case. What was an expiration date? Maybe? I started unplugging stuff on the back of the display. There was also stickers on the display. So many screws. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like my content, which there's many more of, and this video wasn't the best of all of mine, then hit the thumbs up. Maybe not on this video, but maybe on my others. Hit the subscribe button. That would be very nice of you. And I'll see you guys later. Later, gamers.